Let's say you have two rectangles stack each other. The other one is smaller. And you want to make the corner rounded. You can select all the rectangle and make it rounded. It will make all the rounded corner have same value. If you notice it's not correct. The smaller rectangle should have smaller rounded value. Let's give the outer rectangle 30 pixel rounded corner. The inner rectangle should have smaller value, let's say 20 pixel. Now it's already looks better. But we can make it better by creating the inner rectangle later. Go to Object, Path, Offset Path and fill it with -20 pixel. Now you have a nice rounded corner for two objects. You can see which one is better from this 3 sample.